Hello guys, today we are on hellcase and we are going to make some profit. Take it if you want to present click the button on the top right side and enter the future guys to get 10% plus 1 and 7 cents pretty balanced. That means if you make $1,000 get $100 once, $100 $10 $1 bonus, so you can deposit with with the credit crypto and then give it 16% the plus bonus for on the crypto guys. Instead there are also case open pick and icon. To select the automatic and not forget to take it. In the upgrade section you can select the items and the upgrade to begin enter the amount yourself and choose an item go for. In the top universe with security the amount of deposit you can use the supplement gets this here. We also we get better section, most of people creating better create your own or join existing ones if I find it. If you get better with the case number you get the contract section where you can exchange and upgrade items is a great way to better the better ones. We also make UA guys if you want to join my UA making $5 deposit share on Twitter is enough. My UA is here by the way last 4 days. Okay, in the universe you can claim free cases as you level up, don't forget to take a look. The premier section also gives you super extra bonuses if you subscribe. And of course the free up your daily free case is reset every day. We can try for new case first. Okay, that's bad. Come on case now. Okay, sample case now. Okay, I'll bet. There are also the rest of the shop guys where you can spend the workplace also on custom and check this race and this tables guys. We can try for case battle today. Lose. Win, but all time lose. We can try for classic mode. Okay, expedition only is good. Okay, let's see bro. Oh my god, I didn't create bots for player. It's good. What is this bro? I cancel this battle. Okay, my balance is coming. Silent increase is good. And explosions is good. In case we have okay, and get good. More people getting good. And Corey and Yanni, if we are win rating now, yes. Okay, I'll bet. Yeah, that's good scary, bro. Okay guys, we are winner for now only. Please, last 4. Oh my god bro, win only $20, please, I need this battle. Okay, this meter is cool, but not enough. Broke moon, I need $20 only. Okay, he got gold. The last case $1 only, we need. GG guys. Really hang. Fuck you bro. Okay, if you play here, please use my code. Video guys, see you next time.